Hello everyone, welcome to the AI practical series. So in this particular practical we will see how to solve the missionaries and cannibal problems. So this is the game. We'll first see the game. So here we have on the right side we have 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals. They have to cross from one side of the river to the other side. They have a boat. Okay. Now the rule is that at any part of the at any side of the river, the cannibals should not outnumber the missionaries. Okay. So at one time, okay, either 1 or 2 persons can sit inside the boat and they can travel to the other side of the river. Now let us start the game. So first we send 2 missionaries together, but now what we see that on the right side there is there are actually 3 cannibals and 1 missionary, so they ate that. Okay, so we lost the game. Let's try again. Now what we do, we send 1 missionary and a cannibal together. Okay, now this is valid. Okay, but suppose if we put 1 missionary here, now here on the right side there are more cannibals than missionaries, so they will eat away. Okay, so we lost the game. Now let us see the proper sequence. So we send 1 missionary and a cannibal, okay, on the left side. Okay, then take them out. Okay, then one of them out, that is the cannibal out. Then we take the missionary here, then we take the 2 cannibals together, okay, and send them to the left side. So this is the sequence where we get the solution. Now we send back the cannibal. Okay, this is the sequence which will lead us to the solution. Okay, this is the proper state, the safe one. Okay, now they go to the right side. Okay, now we take both the missionaries to the left side. Okay, now this can be done. Okay, so the very first task will be take all the missionaries to the left, taking all the safe sides, safe states. Okay, so this is how we can get the solution. Okay, so that's how we solve this problem. Okay, so now we will do the same thing using the Python. We will write a Python code for this. Okay, and we have to give the sequence for this. So this code will be explained by Professor Yasira.
Hello everyone, today we are going to see missionary and cannibal problem with Python implementation. Now let us first understand the very first line, that is the print /n. It is basically to get the output on the first line. Over here we've just starting the game, so we've just printing that the game basically starts and what are the rules for this particular problem. So as we are aware, the rules are the boat can carry at the most 2 people. Also, if cannibals number is greater than missionary, then the cannibals would eat the missionaries. And the third and very important rule, the boat cannot cross the river by itself with no people on board. So over here basically we are going to make use of some important variables. As you can see over here, we've taken lm and we've initialized to 3. Lm basically means left side missionaries number. So we have total how many missionaries? 3. So we've initialized the variable 3. Then students, we have lc, that is left side cannibals number. Over here you can see this particular part of the code. Okay, then we've taken another variable, that is rn. We've initialized it to 0. Why? Because the right side missionary numbers, that is the right side missionary numbers. So currently all the missionaries and cannibals are at the left side, so therefore right side is 0. Same goes for rc, that is basically it is for right side cannibal number, which is again 0. 2 very important variables which we've used, user m, user c. User m basically is user input for numbers of missionaries, that is basically for right to left side travel, and user c is user input for numbers of cannibals for right to left travel. Then we are actually going to start our code. Over here the part, as you can see over here, wherein we are asking the user to input for numbers of missionary for left to right travel. Same goes for uc. We are asking the user to input for numbers of cannibal for left to right travel. So this is the very first part. Then over here, this particular condition over here, as you can see, we are using AND operator. AND is what? That both this condition should be true, that is the number of missionary equal to 0 and the number of cannibals equal to 0, means if you are not putting any of the missionaries or cannibals in the boat, then इसका मतलब क्या है, empty travel जो है possible नहीं है as per the rule. So this condition basically checks for the empty travel. So अगर you are entering the value as 0 for UM and UC, so it will ask you to re-enter. Then students, see, also you have to make sure the rules you should remember. The very important rule over here is that the boat can carry at the most 2 people. So अगर आपने greater than equal to 2 दिया तो that is not allowed. Also this is something which is very very important. तो अगर wrong input आप देते हो तो it will ask you to re-enter. So you have to keep this in mind that the boat जो है it can carry at the most 2 people. Also cannibal का number जो है greater होता है missionary से, then the cannibal would eat the missionary. तो this is also something which we have to remember. So ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि you not entering anything or you are entering something which is greater than 0, because by the rule we have to enter the value at the most 2. So I hope this is understood. So this part basically checks whether the user have entered the input properly or not. After that, students, we have to start the game. Now the very important part over here is to understand, students, okay, what is the scenario for this travel. Now see, you have to consider जो missionary है and cannibals है, they are at the same side of the river. Now what does this particular part do? This is something which is very very important. We have to understand कि left side जो है initially जो positions है left side की, that is 3M and 3C, and left side right side जो है that is 0 0. Now we have to remember that अगर हम send करते हैं 2 cannibal to the left of the bank और boat जो हमारा यूज़ हो रहा है, how we have to make sure that the cannibals and missionaries have crossed the river safely. So this particular line of code is very very important. So we will see what this particular things do. So over here as you can see, for I in range 0, LM, so LM क्या है, left missionary, और LC is what, it is the left cannibals. So अगर you are sending them, so किस तरीके से ये जो काउंटर है k+1 एक आपने डाला तो the counter has to increment. So over here किस तरीके से होगा, सपोज अगर आपने LC लिया इक्वल टू 3, दैट इज व्हाट, लेफ्ट साइड कैनिबल जो है अगर 3 है और लेफ्ट साइड मिशनरी 1 है, या फिर लेफ्ट साइड पे कैनिबल्स 3 है और मिशनरी क्या है 2 है, या फिर ये वाला पार्ट. नाउ सी और एंड क्यों दिया है, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस के और में क्या होता है, इफ एनी वन ऑफ दिस कंडीशन बिकम्स ट्रू तो इट विल बी ट्रू. सो सी आप लॉस्ट कब होंगे कि यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट टू सॉल्व दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम, what are the rules. Without rules you will not understand the demonstration. So number of missionaries at the left hand side, and when you are traveling them from one side to another, you have to make sure that you display the number of cannibals and missionary on the left as well as the right. Now see जो boat है we have to depict that with the proper side initially at right. So अब बाद में जो है we will change it according to our convenience or whatever the value जो user enter करता है. Now we have seen that number of people in the boat should be 1 or 2, वो वाला पार्ट हमने कवर किया. Over here number of chosen missionary or cannibal should not be greater than the number of available missionary or cannibal on the given side. तो अगर ऐसा होता है so क्या हो जाएगा, we will lose the game. So students we have to remember this, we have to make sure that जो missionary है किस तरीके से प्रॉपर जो है हमारा बैलेंस हो रहा है. सो सी मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पीपल ऑन द बोट शुड बी 1 or 2, अदरवाइज इट वुड बी इनवैलिड मूव. नाउ सी अगर आप राइट साइड पे हो, सो यहाँ पर हमको क्या चेक करना है, नाउ व्हेन बोर्ड इज ऑन द राइट साइड आफ्टर यू हैव एडेड द मिशनरी एंड कैनिबल, तो वी हैव टू रिड्यूस द राइट साइड का नंबर. सिमिलरली स्टूडेंट्स ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड हम काउंट को क्या कर रहे हैं, इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. सो आई होप दिस इज अंडरस्टूड दैट k+1 इज इक्वल टू इज what, it is basically initializing the count. We have to keep the count for the numbers of missionaries and cannibals, so it is basically increasing. Also students we have to check the side of the board. This is something, which is very, very important. Now once you have checked for the count of missionaries or cannibal on the right side, and it should always be less than the number that you've entered for the adding to the board. अगर वो नहीं आप करोगे तो it will print you the invalid move. So this is something which we have to keep in mind. Also students, the condition to check if the game is over, as you can see over here, lost game, ये सबसे important condition है. If students जो नंबर है मिशनरी का इज लेस देन द नंबर ऑफ मिशनरीज ऑन द राइट साइड, और अगर आपके मिशनरी का जो नंबर है इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0, सो दैट इज व्हाट यू विल लूज द गेम. ऑल्सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर नंबर जो है मिशनरी का इज लेस देन द नंबर ऑफ कैनिबल्स ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड एंड द नंबर ऑफ मिशनरीज इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0, ऑल्सो अगेन यू विल लूज द गेम. सो दिस लाइन विल चेक फॉर द कंडीशन वेयर वी आर लूजिंग द गेम. अभी अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है, व्हेन यू विल गेम विन करने का कंडीशन भी हमको डालना है. नाउ सी व्हेन यू ऐड द कंडीशन टू चेक वेदर यू हैव वन द गेम, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. तो ये क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स, जो नंबर है मिशनरीज का और कैनिबल्स का ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड शुड ऑलवेज बी इक्वल टू 3. ठीक है, और अगर कंडीशन आपकी मैच करती है तो इट विल प्रिंट यू U1. सो सी, दोनों को जब आप ऐड करोगे 3 + 3 तो आपका क्या होता है 6. ऑफकोर्स इट विल ऑल्सो शो यू, बिकॉज ऐसा तो है नहीं कि इन द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट यू विल पास. तो हमने काउंट रखा है स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपको इनिशियली बताया कि क्या कर रहा है हमारा, इट इज कीपिंग द काउंट. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कोड. सो ओवर हियर वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू प्रिंट विद दिस कोड कि भाई टोटल अटेम्प्ट यूजर ने कितना लिया to win the game. So this is the part which we have to understand. So students, this is the logic जो हमने देखा. It is the same thing over here. राइट साइड से आप जो है लेफ्ट साइड पे अगर ट्रैवल करते हो तो द अगेन सेम थिंग. ऊपर वाला जो है बच्चों हमने लॉजिक देखा फॉर लेफ्ट साइड. नाउ वी आर सीइंग ओवर हियर द लॉजिक फॉर द राइट साइड. वॉट एवर आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू इन अबव पार्ट, दैट वॉज फॉर द लेफ्ट टू राइट साइड ट्रैवल. नाउ दिस पार्ट ऑफ आवर कोड इज बेसिकली चेकिंग द लॉजिक फॉर द ट्रैवल फ्रॉम राइट साइड टू द लेफ्ट. सो अगेन स्टूडेंट सेम चीज है, हम जो है यूजर से नंबर लेंगे, उसके बाद हमने चेक करना है कि भाई जो मिशनरी का वैल्यू है और कैनिबल का वैल्यू है वो एम्प्टी तो नहीं है, बिकॉज एज पर द रूल एम्प्टी ट्रैवल इज नॉट पॉसिबल. और अगर इस तरीके से यूजर ने 0 नंबर एंटर किया है देन वी विल हैव टू आस्क द यूजर टू री एंटर द वैल्यू. ऑल्सो सी स्टूडेंट्स, ओवर हियर वी हैव टेकन एंड ऑपरेटर. एंड का मतलब क्या है कि भाई दोनों अगर 0 हो रहे हैं तो ही जो है दिस कंडीशन विल होल्ड ट्रू. अदरवाइज जो हमने देखा था एज पर द लॉजिक क्या होना चाहिए, द गेम बेसिकली विल गो ऑन अंटिल यू विन और लूज. तो ये बात याद रखना स्टूडेंट्स, वाइल ट्रू हमने क्यों लिया है. दिस लाइन ऑफ द कोड विल मेक श्योर कि द गेम विल गो ऑन अंटिल यू विन और यू लूज. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स टू पुट ऑल द कंडीशंस एवरीथिंग इनसाइड द इनफाइनाइट लूप. एंड हाउ डू वी डू दैट, हमको पता है भाई, सिंपल वाइल में हम डाल देते हैं ट्रू. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, जब तक के हमारा गेम या तो विन या लूज नहीं होता है इट विल गो ऑन. ऑल्सो स्टूडेंट्स मेक श्योर ऑल द कंडीशंस मेक अप्रोप्रिएट चेंजेस. अगर आपका मूव इनवैलिड है देन विदाउट मेकिंग एनी चेंज इन द बोर्ड यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू. सो देखो, आफ्टर वी हैव एंटर्ड, हमने सारा कंडीशन इवेल्युएट किया, हमने चेक किया कि वेदर एट द मोस्ट 2 ट्रैवल हो रहे हैं या नहीं. दिस लाइन अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज समथिंग विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हेन यू understand the logic over here, once you've asked the user to enter the input for numbers of missionaries for the travel, you have to make sure that the boat जो है is carrying at the most 2 people. Also this particular line is making sure कि अगर आपके cannibal का number is greater than the missionary then the cannibals would eat the missionary, और वो भी हमको ध्यान में रखना है. So basically this part is first checking for the values अगर हमने input किया है properly or not. और उसके बाद जो ये वाला part है which I told you now that the number जो है cannibal का अगर greater हो जाता है missionary से तो कैनिबल जो है इट विल ईट द मिशनरी, सो दिस पार्ट विल चेक फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. और इफ एनीथिंग इज अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, सो कैन यू सी ओवर हियर हमने किया है invalid input, so we've also used a try catch mechanism, which is one of the best aspect of this code. That is, you know, if at any point of time कोई exception आ जाता है, so you know we have used EOF, end of file error, and it will print as invalid input, please try. So I hope it is understood. Thank you.
Now let us run this particular program. So we'll just run the module. Okay, we get this window. Okay, now this output window shows that there are 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals on the left, and on the right there is nothing. So we need to move from all these missionaries and cannibals to the right side. In the animation it was from right to left. Okay, so it is asking us enter the number of missionaries to travel. So we'll just take 1 missionary and 1 cannibal. Okay, now after putting these values, we see this is the outcome. Okay, so now what we are left with, 2 missionaries, 2 cannibals on the left, 1 missionary, 1 cannibal on the right, and this arrow shows where the boat is. Boat is on the right side now. Okay, now what we do, we take the missionary, okay, towards the left, 1 missionary and 0 cannibal to the left side. So now we have 3 missionaries, 2 cannibals on the left and 1 cannibal on the right, and the boat on the left side. So now we do not take any missionary to the right, okay, and take 2 cannibals to the right. So now we have this situation, all the missionaries on the left, cannibals on the right, and the boat on the right side. So there are no missionaries, so we'll just put 0, and we'll just take 1 cannibal to the left side. So now we have this condition now, 3 missionaries, 1 cannibal on the left, 2 cannibals on the right, and boat on the left side. Now we can carry 2 missionaries actually to the right side. Okay, and then we cannot take any cannibal now. Okay, so now this is the situation. What we have is 2 missionaries, 2 cannibals on the right side, and the boat on the right. Okay, so now we can take 1 missionary, 1 cannibal. Okay, now this is what we have now. Okay, now what we can do is we can take both the missionaries from left to right. Okay, so we take just 2 missionaries, okay, and 0 cannibal. Okay, so now all the missionaries have come to the right side. Now our task is to take all the cannibals from 2 cannibals which are left to the right side, but now the boat is on the right side. Okay, so we just take 0 missionary and 1 cannibal. Now we have now 3 cannibals on the left and the boat on the left, so we can take 2 cannibals, okay, together. Okay, now 0 missionary, 1 cannibal. Okay, now we can just take 2 cannibals, sorry, this is 0, there is no missionary, and 2 cannibals. Okay, so now this is what we have. This is the solution. So now this is what we have, all the missionaries and cannibals on the right side. So this has been complete. So that's how we solve this particular program. Thanks for watching.